Hi EWM Army. Welcome back to Make SAP Easy channel. In the world of supply chain, efficiency is everything. And on this channel, we break down the complexities of SAP EWM into clear, actionable tutorials. From technical deep dives to real-world interview questions. In this video we will cover quantity classification topic in SAP EWM. Let's start. What is quantity classification? In the world of supply chain, efficiency is everything. And on this channel, we break down the complexities of SAP. In SAP EWM, quantity classification is a logic-driven attribute used to determine the most appropriate storage location for a product based on its packaging size or bulkiness during a warehouse task. Think of it as a translator. It takes a technical unit, like PAL, and turns it into a storage instruction, like, put this in the heavy-duty rack. The core purpose is without quantity classification, the system might try to put a massive pallet into a small shelf meant for individual bolts. By using this classification, EWM can differentiate between small quantities, pieces or eaches, stored in bin shelves. Medium quantities, cartons or boxes stored in flow racks. Large quantities, full pallets or crates stored in high bay racking. Practical example. Imagine you are receiving 110 units of a product. 100 units make a full pallet, UOM, PAL. 10 units are loose, UOM, EA. EWM will split the put away. The 100 units get quantity classification 4 system directs them to the high bay rack. The 10 units get quantity classification 1 system directs them to the fine pick area. Think of it as the bridge between what the product is and how it's stored. It allows the system to distinguish between a single piece, a box, or a full pallet during the put away and removal processes. Let us go through some questions related to quantity classification. Here we will cover only few questions, remaining we'll share in detail configuration video which we'll be posting in future. Here go question. Can I use quantity classification without a packaging specification? Here we go with answer. Yes, by using alternative units of measure, AUOM. In the configuration for UOM attributes, you can map a specific UOM, like PAL, directly to a quantity classification, like 3 feet. This is simpler but less flexible than using pack specs. Here we go with next question. What is the difference between quantity classification and put-away quantity classification in the storage type settings? Here we go with answer. Quantity classification, general, used for stock removal and basic reporting. Put-away quantity classification, put-away control, specifically used by the search engine to find a destination bin during the put-away process. Usually, these are set to the same value for consistency. Here we go with next questions. Is it possible to change the quantity classification during a warehouse task? Here we go with answer. Not manually on the task itself. However, if you perform a quantity change, example you pick 5 instead of 10, and your system is set up with difference logic, the remaining quantity might be reclassified if it no longer meets the threshold of the original pack spec level. So, to wrap things up, quantity classification is the secret sauce that makes SAP EWM truly smart. It's the bridge between your packaging master data and your physical warehouse layout. By mastering this, you ensure that every pallet, case, and piece finds its perfect home automatically, saving your forklift drivers time and your warehouse space. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into SAP EWM modules. If you have a specific scenario or a configuration error you're stuck on, drop a comment below and let's discuss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next SAP EWM tutorial.